Hey guys, this is Ryan Blair here at Halo Inc. and today I'm going to be showing you how to do a photorealistic mock-up of a window graphic design. So what you're looking at right here are each of the windows, and this is set up to half scale, so they're already designed, and now we want to do a photorealistic mock-up for the customer. So what I've already done is I've already exported the PDF and the JPEG of each of the windows, and so the customer provided us with this photo here of their storefront. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to right click and open this up in Photoshop. And the first thing that you're going to notice is that the picture is very tilted. None of the verticals are straight, neither are the horizontal lines. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go up to filter and we're going to do camera raw filter. Once that loads, we're going to go over to the right here and you're going to find geometry, and now you've got all these different options. So we're going to do this one that looks like a grid, which is going to straighten the vertical and the horizontals. So we're going to click that, and you can see it straightens everything out, but it is clipping part of the picture. So how to get around that is you go over to the scale slider in geometry, and we're just going to back it off until all of the photo is viewable. So now it is clipping a little bit, but it's okay because the graphic will still fully represent what it's going to look like. Go ahead and click OK, and now we could use the crop tool and we could just take off a lot of this excess up top. Go ahead and hit enter, and now we need to drag over our window panels and get them into the right perspective. So we're going to go back into the working files and we're going to grab window 1, drag this in, and now we're just going to line it up into the bottom left hand corner of the first window here. We're going to hold down shift to keep it proportionate, and we're just going to go ahead and size it to fit and hit return. So that one's super simple. The next panel here you can see is going to be a little bit more challenging, as it is tilted inwards toward those doors. So we're going to grab our window 2, drag it in, and now we're going to line it up to the left edge of that mullion there. Holding shift, we're going to scale it down until it is touching the right mullion here, and then we're just going to try to kind of eyeball it in the middle of that window. Hit return. Now what we're going to do is go up to edit, and then transform, and then perspective. Go ahead and click that, and you're going to see you get all these transform handles. So we're going to go ahead and start on the left side and grab the top transform handle, and we're going to start bringing that upwards. So just clicking and dragging it up, and you can see it's touching the bottom, it's almost touching the top. So we're just going to go a little bit more until it is touching like so. Now we're going to go over to the right side and we're going to grab that transform handle and bring it up. And you can see it's kind of going a little bit too far down on the bottom, so you could grab the middle handle and slide it up. And now we're not quite touching on the top right, so we're going to go ahead and grab the top right handle and bring that out to the right slightly, and you can make your adjustment on the middle. Go ahead and hit return, and that's a pretty good representation of what this window graphic is going to look like. So you'd go ahead and repeat this process for the next 2 windows, and then go ahead and save a JPEG proof, upload it into CoreBridge, and send it out for approval. Thanks for watching.